Hello students, welcome to the class of mathematics. Standard 6 Maths, chapter number 13 Symmetry. Introduction. Symmetry is an important geometrical concept. The idea of symmetry is used in almost all activities of our day-to-day life. If a line divides a shape into two identical halves, which means two equal parts, we say that the shape is symmetrical. The line divides the shape is called the line of symmetry. A figure has a line of symmetry if there is a line about which the figure may be folded, so that the two parts of figure will coincide. The line of symmetry is also called the axis of symmetry. The concept of symmetry is exhibited in nature as in tree leaves, flowers, etc. Symmetrical design are used by artists, professionals, designers of jewelry or clothing, car manufacturers and athletics, etc. Now, we learn symmetrical lines and symmetric shapes in detail in this chapter. So, let's we start our exercise number 13.1. Question number 1. List any four symmetrical from your home or school. See that for this we have to find the symmetrical items which is divided into two halves or two parts. So in this school we have to find notice board, blackboard, notebook. In home we find that glass, ink pot. Many of examples are there which are as a symmetrical. हम टेबल टॉप भी ले सकते हैं, then a pair of scissors, computer disk, etc. etc. Now you have to write only 4 example of it. Now question number 2. For given figure, which line is mirror line L1 or L2? For this we have to see this figure. If we say that L1 is the line of mirror, our answer will be wrong. So here L2 is the line that it is clearly see that the L2 line is a mirror of figure. Now question number 3. Identify the shape given below. Check whether they are symmetry or not. Draw the line of symmetry as well. So here figure A, B, C, D, E and F is given. So we have to draw the symmetrical line of them. So first of all we choose the symmetrical line of log. So here if we draw the line vertical to log, look, see that it will be the symmetry. In figure B, yes, it will be the symmetry if we draw the vertical line. Figure C, see that here we can't draw the line of symmetry. So here the answer is no. Here we are not drawing. In telephone, yes, if we draw the horizontal line, then it will be the symmetry. In E, we have to draw the horizontal line, and this is the pentagon, so we have to draw the exact symmetry line of that. So here figure number C, we can't draw the symmetrical line. See the answer which is already drawn. So a log has a vertical line, so symmetry. Glass has a vertical line, symmetry. So figure number C has no symmetry. D, telephone has a symmetry. E, symmetrical line, and F also symmetrical line. Now we see the question number 4. Copy of the following of a square paper. A square paper is what you would have used in your arithmetic notebook in earlier classes. Then complete such that the dotted line is the line of symmetry. See that here they are given us a figure which we want to complete it. So here we have to see that the symmetrical line of A, B, C and D. So how to draw the same the figure with the help of square figure? Let's we see the answer. Here solution of figure A is this. Solution of figure B is this. Solution of figure C is this. Now solution of D, solution of E and solution of F. We have to do the same figure as the opposite side of the figure. Now question number 5. In the figure L is the line of symmetry. Complete the diagram to make the symmetrical line. See that here that we have to draw the symmetrical line down. So we have to draw the symmetry line like this and fill up with this. So how to draw it? Let's I show you. So here the answer of question number 5 is this figure. So question number 6 is also same figure. We have to draw the same line of the this and we have to draw the figure. Now here our exercise number 13.1 is over. So let's we start our exercise number 13.1. Find the number of lines of symmetry for each of the following shapes. So here they are given us a shape and we understood that how many symmetrical line we have to draw there. This is a square. So we know that in a square we have to draw 4 symmetrical line, 1 horizontal, second vertical and 2 of slant height. So here we draw the 4 symmetrical line. Same way this is also the figure of like a square. So here also we draw the 4 symmetrical line. In question number C, the same things is which we draw here. We draw here. So here also we draw the 4 symmetrical line. But in this figure we have to draw only 1 symmetrical line as a vertical. So here we draw 1 symmetrical line. This is a hexagon and hexagon has a 6 side. So we draw 6 horizontal line here. So answer is equal to 6. Same way here the pattern 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 horizontal or vertical and slant line we draw. But in figure number G we have to not draw any symmetrical line. So here answer is equal to 0. In H also here see that we are not drawn any symmetrical line. So we have to draw 0 symmetrical line. See that it is a beautiful flower. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 there is a pattern. But here we draw 1, 2, 3 and 4 symmetrical lines. So our answer is 4. Now copy question number 2. Copy the triangle in each of the following figure on the square paper. Each case drawn the line symmetry, if any, identify the types of triangle. Some you may like to trace the figure and try it on a paper folding. So see that first figure is look like a equilateral triangle. So we draw 3 symmetrical lines of this and this is known as equilateral triangle. This is a scalene triangle because 2 sides are equal. So scalene triangle has only and only 1 symmetrical line. Now here question number C. Question number C is a right angle triangle and we draw only 1 symmetrical line like this with the help of a 90-degree angle. This is a figure which is scalene triangle and you know that scalene triangle has no symmetrical line. So here it is impossible to draw the symmetrical line. Question number 3. Complete the following table. So here there is a shape name, rough figure and number of symmetrical lines. So here they give us one example, equilateral triangle. You know that equilateral triangle has all sides equals and we draw 3 symmetrical lines. So number of lines of symmetry is equal to 3. So let's we draw the rough figure and how many symmetrical lines we draw. So let's we start the solution of question number 3. So second shape is a square. Square we have to draw like this, and one vertical, horizontal and two slanted. So we have to draw 4 symmetrical lines. The next figure is a rectangle. You know that rectangle has only 2 symmetrical lines. Then isosceles triangle rough figure is this, and we have to draw only and only one symmetrical line. Now rhombus we have to draw only 2 diagonals, because 2 diagonals of rhombus are equal, so we have to draw only 2. Now in a circle we know that there are infinite many symmetrical line we draw, so our number of symmetrical line is infinite. So question number 4, can you draw a triangle which has exactly one line symmetry? In the previous question we know that an isosceles triangle has only and only one symmetrical line, and the figure is isosceles triangle is this. Question number B, exactly 2 lines of symmetry. No, we can't draw the triangles having exactly 2 lines of symmetry. Now question number C, exactly 3 lines of symmetrical. Yes, it is equilateral triangle has exactly 3 lines of symmetry. See that it is the figure of equilateral triangle, and here there are 3 lines, 1, 2 and 3. Now question number D, no lines of symmetrical. We know that scalene triangle is a all sides are different, so here we are not drawing any symmetrical line. Now question number 4, on the square paper sketch the following: a triangle with a horizontal line of symmetry but not vertical line of symmetry. So here we draw the scalene triangle in a horizontal form. So see here we draw the horizontal line and the diagram. Question number B, a quadrilateral with both horizontal. You know that rectangle has a horizontal and vertical line of symmetry. Question number C, a quadrilateral with horizontal symmetry but not vertical. So we have to draw the quadrilateral like this, having only one horizontal line symmetry. Now question number D, a hexagon. See that hexagon we have to draw like this, and this is the 2 symmetrical line of hexagon. Now again a hexagon with a 6 line symmetrical. So in a hexagon we have to draw all the 6 lines are equal, then it is easy for us to draw the 6 lines of symmetry. Now question number 6, trace each of the figure drawn the line of symmetry if any. So here there are a figure, so let's see the figure. So here A, B, C and D are the figure. So given figure is no any, we have to not draw any symmetrical line in this figure. So here no symmetrical line. In figure number B we have to draw one horizontal and one vertical line. So here number of symmetrical line is 2. In figure number C, you know that we have to draw 4 symmetrical line, one horizontal, vertical and 2 slant. So here we have to draw 4 symmetrical line. In this figure we have to draw only 2, like vertical and horizontal line. Now question figure number E, that only one line we have to draw the symmetrical line, and in the last also we have to draw only 2 symmetrical line, one is vertical and one is horizontal. So let's we start our question number 7. So you all studies all the letters of symmetry, non-symmetry, horizontal, vertical symmetry, all the things in your previous standard. So let's we revise one time more of a letter. Consider the letters of English alphabet A to Z, list among them which have vertical line of symmetry. See that A, H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X and Y has a vertical opposite. Following letters are horizontal. So B, C, D, E, H, I, K, O and X are vertically. Now some letters have both a symmetrical line having a horizontal and vertical, but some letters are not having any symmetrical line, like F. F has no any symmetry. G, then J, L, N, P, Q, R, S and Z has a no line of symmetry. So let's we start exercise number 13.3. Find the number of lines of symmetry in each of the following shapes. See that here we see that how many lines of symmetry. Here we have to draw the 4 lines of symmetry. In the tree you know that we have to draw only 1 line of symmetry, and in this figure we have to draw the 2 lines of symmetry. So in this figure it is very difficult to draw the symmetric line. So here we have not drawing. Here we have to draw only 1 line of symmetry, and here one is horizontal and one is vertical. So here we have to draw 2 lines of symmetry. Copy the drawing of the square. Complete each of the following. See that here we have to draw the same figure which is exactly in the shape of this. Here also see that we have to draw the same pattern of the following like this. We have to draw. See the same patterns. Here also we have to draw the same patterns. See here. Here we draw the same patterns. So here students, you have to draw these 2 figures with yourself in a notebook. Now question number 3. Each of the following alongside a letter of the alphabet is shown along with the vertical line, and take the mirror image. So see that here if we draw the A, so mirror image of A is same like a A. If we say that B, then B mirror image is like this vertical. So let's we see that how many articles are there. Suppose O, E, M, N, P, H, L, T, S, V and X. So let's we see that what is the mirror image of this letter. So O has same mirror image O. Now E has the mirror image is like the opposite of E. M has the same mirror image of M. Now N has the mirror image is N. P is the same mirror image but it is look like Q. H has the same mirror image. L you see that it is opposite image. T has the same mirror image. See that S has the opposite mirror image, while V has same and X has a same mirror image. So if we observe them carefully, that A, O, M, H, T, V and X look the same after the reflection because all these letters are symmetrical. On the other hand, the letter B, E, N, P, L and S do not look the same after reflections. So here our chapter number 13 is over. Students, I already sent all the sums in my PDF. You have to revise from it.